It's the most frustrating thing that can happen to an option trader. You get the direction right and you still lose money on the trade. How does this happen? I'll explain. And I'll share a tool that can decrease the likelihood of it ever happening again. At Nations Indexes, we created our suite of volatility indexes to make you a better trader so you can make more money by crafting more intelligent trade structures. Let's look at an example of getting the direction right and still losing money in the trade where our indexes could have helped. Let's say that you were bullish SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, on November 11th, when SPY closed at 598.76. You could have bought an out-of-the-money call option. Let's say that you bought the 630 strike call that was expiring in about 30 days, and you paid $2.25 for that option. That's about where it was trading at the time. Now, 30 days later, SPY's rallied. It's at 604.33. So you got the direction right, but your call expired worthless, and you lost money. What happened? Well, how expensive were those out-of-the-money call options when you bought yours? CallDex gives us an objective measure of how expensive out-of-the-money call options are. And CallDex was at 23.05 on November 11th. Now, the average close for CallDex is below 20. The median close is just 17.18. And the 75th percentile close was 22.62. So with CallDex at 23.05, as it was on November 11th, we know calls were very expensive. And those 30-day, one standard deviation out-of-the-money calls were particularly expensive because CallDex was above even its 75th percentile value. So even though SPY rallied, we lost money on the trade because we bought a very expensive call option and didn't get enough movement. How could we have done better? Well, given that options in general were very expensive, and we know that by looking at our suite of volatility indexes, a better trade structure might have been selling a put spread to take advantage of the high cost of options and our bullish outlook. So there you go. CallDex is the tool that can help make certain that if you get the direction right, you're less likely to lose money on the trade. Do you want to learn more? Go to nationsindexes.com, and to sign up for our weekly volatility insights, go to nationsindexes.com/insights.